We may finally have an extension to the original Gaia theory. We humans could be instrumental to bringing about a massive upgrade of the planetary operating system to version Gaia 2.0. The conceptual similarities of the World Wide Web and the human brain are astounding. The wiring of the internet is much like a rudimentary brain, and some of the interactions that take place on it are similar to the processes that we observe in the brain. Both neural networks exhibit a scale-free, fractal distribution, with some weakly connected units, and some strongly connected ones which are arranged in hubs of increasing functional complexity. Both networks are holonomic, which means that information can reach any given node within the network by passing through only a small number of other nodes. This facilitates the global propagation of information within the network, and gives each and every unit the functional potential to be directly connected to all others. The Syntellect hypothesis, which is the main focus of the book, the Syntellect hypothesis, 5 paradigms of the mind's evolution, refers to a phase transition of a complex intelligent system to self-awareness of a living, conscious superorganism when intellectual synergy of its components reaches threshold complexity to become one supermind. This metamorphosis is associated with emergence of higher-order self-awareness and dimensionality of a new consciousness structure. As a biospecies merging with its advanced technology, human-machine civilization is now on the verge of the Syntellect emergence, becoming one global mind. Excerpt from the Syntellect hypothesis, 5 paradigms of the mind's evolution by Alex Vikulov. Available now on Amazon.
Syntellect Media.